Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and this is going to be for question number 1 on homework 6. So in this one, we want to use something called the one-to-one method. And basically, all that means is that if you have two expressions and they both have the same base, so they're two exponential expressions that are equal to each other, if they both have the same base, then they must both have the same exponent. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the equation 3 to the 4x plus 7 equals 27. Now, clearly here you can see that these are not the same base. But what you want to try and do in this problem is see if you can write this number as a number with the same base as this number. So we have 3 to the 4x plus 7 equals. Now, 27 can be written as 3 to the third power. Now that both the bases are the same, we just have to set the exponents equal to each other. So now we're going to take and do 4x plus 7 equals 3. So if I subtract 3, I get 4x is, let me back up here just a second. Made a little mistake there. If we subtract 7, we'll get 4x is equal to negative 4. Divide by 4, and we get x is equal to negative 1.